German brand CLAAS has been leading the way in harvesting performance with its LEXION line of combines, and in 2018, customers are getting more options and bang for their buck. Following years of testing and development, CLAAS has introduced its CONVIO and CONVIO Flex range of draper headers into the Australian market.
CLAAS have offered a draper front in the past that was bought in small numbers to the Australian market and wasn't suited to our conditions. So this is why so much research has gone into this new front behind me. It's going to complement our existing Vario fronts.
The CONVIO range of draper fronts offers 3 widths from 10.8 to 13.8 metres.
As far as the draper front goes, it's really quite good at direct hanging canola, so we think that's going to be a really unique selling feature for the front.
The CONVIO Flex range features a cutter bar that flexes up to 90mm upwards and 135mm downwards to follow ground contours and harvest crops as close to the ground as possible.
What's going to be unique about this is there'll be an automatic flex adjustment feature as well, so that's going to make sure that it's at the optimal position all the time.
Customers can have cross augers installed on the CONVIO draper fronts if required.
Everything's going to be able to be controlled from our CEBIS screen, so that means all the belt speeds, how much flex you'd like on the flex version, and how sensitive you'd like the auto contour to work. That can all be controlled from the existing combine screen. You can see the entire belt and the entire trough all from the seated position in the cab. So that means that you've got great visibility for anything you're harvesting at all times. Again, brought on from our Vario front, but it's quite important, is the reel design. So you can see it follows a cam track in there. And what that means is that the reels come around, they'll be able to pick up any lodged crop and then push it right onto the belt. So really important for any crop that's not standing upright.
A number of operator assistance functions, including automatic belt speed adjustment, cutter bar height control, and reel torque control, allow for a fuss-free harvesting operation.
The new centre belt and drum in the middle there's been designed to feed as well as possible. What you'll notice here that's probably unique in comparison to a lot of other draper fronts is just how well sealed the dill is in there. So that's to really minimise any, in particular, canola leaking out when we're direct handing with this front. You can see if you walk along the whole thing, there's lights going along the whole trough. It just makes a huge difference in harvesting at night because you can literally see every head on every stem because of those lights.
CLAAS's CONVIO range of draper fronts are compatible with its LEXION combine harvesters manufactured from 2015 onwards.
So if your LEXION has a serial number starting with C7, it will be compatible with the new fronts. Whilst it's not going to be the best conditions in particularly New South Wales and Queensland, we are going to have a number of demonstrator fronts in Western Australia, South Australia and the eastern states. The best way to see one of these fronts is just to contact someone from your local CLAAS Harvest Centre, and we look forward to seeing you in the field.